Upgrading your Harley Davidson motorcycle with LED turn signals is a smart move for better visibility and energy efficiency. However, syncing these new signals is crucial for them to work correctly. This guide will take you through the steps to synchronize your Harley LED turn signals, ensuring they function seamlessly. When you replace your Harley's incandescent turn signal bulbs with LED ones, the different electrical characteristics can cause them to malfunction. Synchronization aligns the new LED signals with your bike's electrical system, ensuring they flash correctly. Syncing LED turn signals on 2014 and newer Harley models with CAN bus BCM electrical systems. First, turn on the ignition. Ensure the bike's ignition is on without starting the engine. Next, activate the hazard lights. Press the hazard button to turn on the four-way hazards. Then, turn off the ignition. Leave the hazards running. If your bike has a security system, the signals will flash several times before resuming normal hazard flashing. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the hazards to run for 1 to 2 minutes. Now turn on the ignition again. Restart the ignition. Cycle the ignition. Turn the ignition off and then back on. Finally, check signal function. Ensure both turn signals are functioning properly. Syncing LED. Turn signals on 2001 to 2016 models with TSSM and non-CAN bus or BCM systems is straightforward. First, turn on the ignition. Remember, do not start the bike, just turn on the ignition. Next, activate the right turn signal and let it flash twice. Then activate the left turn signal and let it flash twice. Repeat the process by turning on the right signal again and let it flash at least 10 times. Do the same with the left signal. After that, cycle the ignition, turn it off and then back on. Finally, check the signal function to verify that both turn signals are working properly. Here are some tips for successful synchronization. Patience is key. Allow enough time for the hazards to run during synchronization. Also, ensure your bike's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Always, and I mean always, double-check the function of both turn signals after completing the steps.